angle pair relationship. So what we have here is an imaginary box. I want to remind you, and we are outside the box on opposite sides. So we are called alternate exterior. Alternate exterior. Okay? And using the idea that of corresponding sides, I want you to see this is below the line, and this is below the line. Same side, they are corresponding, and so this relationship over here is 110 degrees, and we say it's alternate exterior. It's alternate exterior and 110 degrees. We're going to go on to the next one. So over here we have corresponding angles. If we move the line down, the 53 is just below the line, so we call that corresponding, and it's 53 degrees. Let's look at the next one. Here we have, it's on alternate sides of the line inside the imaginary box, and we call that alternate interior because we're inside in between the two lines or inside the imaginary box. Alternate interior, and those angles are congruent as well. So it is 84 degrees. And now we have all that's left is really same side interior, and that makes sense. We're on the same side and we're inside the imaginary box or between the lines, and it's called same side interior. And we know that they are supplementary, and so we have x plus 78 is equal to 180. We subtract 78 from both sides, and we have x is equal to 102, and the measure of angle x is 102 degrees. Let's turn the page, see what we have. We're going to say, so you could color all of the angles that are congruent to measure one yellow, and I'm going to say, or mark it with an X. All the ones congruent to number 2, you could color it green or mark it with a 0. So let's start off with, I'm going to mark it with an X. So we have X over here, X over here. So the small angles are the X, X over here, and X over here. And the large angles are the O. Here we have 2 large angles, and we have 2 large angles here. And I